Here's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, sport suspension, command AM/FM satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Automobile reports the E-Class offers exceptional handling capabilities without losing out on ride quality. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.